Hello, my beautiful women. Welcome again to Winter Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. I'm also very well here, and thank you so much, everyone, for being here with me. Today, we have the sleek, beautiful, short, natural hairstyle that combines that edginess of an undercut with a refined look of this beautiful top you're seeing. This short natural haircut, it really features that stark contrast between the very short size and the voluminous tight top layers. Isn't this hair just so wonderful? You can see how this look is especially suited for women who really want to enjoy that dramatic, eye-catchy style. One thing about today's hairstyle is that it really works well with women with oval face because it will highlight the facial structures while still providing that bold statement every woman wants. I love this hairstyle because it's easy to maintain. All you just have to do is just use that smoothing serums or just echo gel to maintain the sleekness of your hair, and always make sure you schedule for regular cuts to really keep this cut sharp and defined. So this is a style that really features that minimalist aesthetic, and you can see how his elegant curve is closely cut to follow the shape of the head that creates that neat clean look that every woman wants, and you can see how it really highlights the features of the face effortlessly. I want to thank you for really staying locked to Winter Styles and for watching to this point. And please watch this video to the end. Let's take Winter Styles to 100,000 subscribers. We can do it because without you guys, I won't be here today. But I just want to say thank you so much for what you do. God bless you guys and stay locked. See you in my next upload.
Do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. Fix it for me. Does anybody know that only God can fix it? Oh, fix it for me. Oh, Lord, I have a problem only you can solve. So Lord, fix it for me, Lord. Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. Fix it for me. Does anybody know that only God can fix it? Oh, fix it for me. Oh, Lord, I have a problem only you can solve. So Lord, fix it for me, Lord. Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. Lord, fix it for me. Does anybody know that only God can fix it? Oh, fix it for me. Oh, Lord, I have a problem only you can solve. So Lord, fix it.